I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I'm falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright. Be alright. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright. I'll be alright. La 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 la. I'll be alright. If it gets too dark, I'll be alright.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you laugh? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman. miles away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Who would have thought I'd be up on cloud nine? I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you.
So the money box kit is made up of a pack of, you get template, you get some felt for the bottom, you get some screws, you get the template, well, your perspex, and I asked especially for this name to be put on there, which is Veronica in Russian. So there you go, you can see it better like that. And Joe's also included a list of what you need and how to do it. You also got a video of the way Joe made one, and all you need is a bandsaw, but I chose to do this as a segmentic ring, so the ring's finished. If you see that kind of, it's similar size to that. So now all I've got to do is put this on the front. I've got the slot in the top, that on the front, and then all I need to do is put that on the back, and Bob's your uncle. So let's put the screws in.
This is what I've learned. I'm different for alright, made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger.
As you can see, the project has turned out really well. I made 3 of them, same for all of it. First time doing segmented journaling, and I mean these are pine and they look really good. This one's beach. The money box kit is really good and it's versatile. It's great as a gift. These will be going to the nieces and nephew. Average Joes Joinery. Joe is a really nice guy. The one he did was a world, a globe. It looks really good. But as soon as I saw it, I went, "Can I have these, please?" And yeah, he was happy enough to do that. If you go over to averagejoesjoinery.com, he has actually got these kits for sale. But I really like how these turn out. I made these recessed. This one is kind of on the edge. This is the first one I did segmented, so I learned from this one and then came up with these 2 afterwards. So I hope you like them. The drawers on the truck, obviously they weren't big enough to do these sizes, so I had to come up with the way I did because I wasn't going to be able to hold them on the lathe. So you just got to do it, and you've got to be sure that it's going to be safe. And I was happy to use them. Obviously I tested it before I kind of went really into it. So yeah, they are something I can use again in the future for anything really. I can adapt it for this, or I can adapt it for something else. It doesn't matter. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below, and yeah, just thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Create to Make. Ta-da!
Let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a